Hello, my loving student. Welcome back to our class. I hope you all are well and healthy. Today, we are going to start new EVS topic, house we live in. House we live in. Which topic? House we live in. Children, the house we live in. We need a house to live in. But why? Why do we need a house? You know, student? Okay, I tell you. Because a house gives us shelter, protect us from rain, heat, storm and cold. Protect us from wild animals. Protect us from thieves. A house gives us peace, comfort and happiness. Understood? Okay, now read this chapter. The place where we live is called a house. The house in which we live with our family is called our home. Need of a house. Need of a house. Everybody needs a place to live in. A house protects us from heat and cold. A house protects us from rain and storm. It saves us from thieves and wild animals. A house gives us peace, comfort and happiness. As you can see these pictures, first, safety from heat, cold and rain. Second picture, safety from thieves. Third, safety from wild animals. Students, there are different types of houses. Those are kacha house, pakka house, igloo, houseboat, tent, etc. It depends on the materials. First of all, we read about kacha house. Okay, let's start. All houses are not same. They are of many types. Some houses are big, some are small too. Houses made of mud or bamboo are not so strong. These houses are called kacha houses. And then pakka house. Houses made of bricks and cement are strong. These houses are called pakka houses. Our houses should be airy and sunny. The windows let in fresh air and sunshine. Now I explain. Please listen carefully. A kacha house is made of mud, bamboo, straw, wood, leaves, etc. Most people in villages live in kacha houses, and these are called huts. What are called? These are called huts. This type of houses are not so strong and they are not expensive too. They are called temporary houses, जो कि ज़्यादा दिन नहीं चलते हैं और बहुत ही कम पैसों में ही बन जाते हैं, इसीलिए ये कच्चा हाउस होता है. ओके, ये टेम्पररी हाउसेस होते हैं. एंड पक्का हाउस, this type of houses are called pakka houses. A pakka houses are made of bricks, cement, wood, glass and iron. These houses are expensive. Pakka houses are permanent and strong buildings. Children, tell me one question. Which type of houses we live in? Which type of houses we live in? Yes, we live in pakka houses. Okay, we live in pakka houses. हम सब पक्के हाउस में रहते हैं ना? Look at this picture, student. Which type of houses? Which type of house is this? This is igloo. Igloos are made of ice and Eskimos live in them. They are made of ice. They are warm and cozy inside. Look at next picture. Which type of house is this? Tell me, you know it? No? Okay, I'll tell you. This is houseboat. In Kashmir and Kerala, we find houseboat which are anchored in water. These are popular with tourists. के स्टूडेंट कश्मीर और केरला में हाउस बोट होती हैं और जब लोग घूमने जाते हैं तो इस हाउस बोट को एंजॉय करते हैं. नाउ लुक एट द थर्ड पिक्चर. विच टाइप ऑफ हाउस इज दिस? टेल मी विच टाइप ऑफ हाउस इज दिस? व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस हाउस? This is the canvas. We are also called tent. People live in temporary house made of canvas. When they go for camping or live in the forest for a while. जब लोग फॉरेस्ट में कैंपिंग के लिए जाते हैं ना और वो कुछ दिन के लिए जाते हैं तब वो वहाँ टेंट बनाकर रहते हैं. ओके. Parts of a house. In a big house there are many rooms. Every room has different name and different purpose. Like we take bath in the bathroom. We cook our meal in the kitchen. We eat our meals in a dining room. We study in a reading room. We take rest and sleep in bedroom. We welcome our guests and watch TV in drawing room. I know you have all rooms in your houses. This is last para. Cleanliness of a house. Houses are very important for us. We should keep our house neat and clean. We should put things on their proper place. The floor should be mopped and cleaned daily. Things like chair, table, flower, pot and TV should be dusted daily. We must keep the things at their proper places after using them. Understood this chapter? Yes or no? Very well. Bye bye. Take care, my dear students. See you soon.